I'm pretty sure that a lot of people ask themselves the same question every day. Should they start a YouTube channel? Have you seen those videos where it starts like, should I start a YouTube channel in 2021, in 2020, in 2019? Hundreds of videos, millions of people watching them, and yet probably just a couple of them started, and a lot of them never started a YouTube channel, and probably will never do. And looking back at myself, I believe that most people don't start not because they don't know how to, just because they're afraid what other people gonna say about them. I was also like that. I was like, oh my god, I have an accent. Sometimes I do grammar mistakes in English. What if people don't like how I talk, how I look, how I act? Videos. I ran in all type of problems. There was sound problems, there were video problems. I didn't know how properly to edit. I sometimes edited and thought, oh, I didn't film enough scenes. And I really feel like, you know, people gonna judge me. That's why I never published them. I really worked so hard to make those videos, and I had this inner conflict within me. They're gonna suck, they're gonna be really bad. So again, I never published them. Even though it's totally normal to suck at the beginning. Ah, está bien. Gracias. I love watching YouTube. I love to discover new people who create videos, who share their ideas. At the time, probably the biggest YouTuber that I found was Casey Neistat, and I probably discovered him when he was doing his 40s or 50s vlog on the very beginning, and from that moment on I was watching him every day, really appreciating his video and the work he put in that. Okay, muchas gracias, amigo. So I immediately started admiring his style in movie making, and also even more, I started admiring his personal skills, not even movie making skills, because to be so dedicated, to be able to make a video a day, I mean, can you imagine how busy of a life he had, and he was still putting a video a day, and it was interesting video. He had some ideas to share every day. It was also about the style. When I was in architecture school in Spitzer School of Architecture doing my master's degree in New York, I was introduced to the artist Tom Sachs and his video. Only much later I will find out that these videos actually were made by Casey Neistat and his brother Van. And even much later, after watching a Casey probably for a month, I would realize that that famous and video that I really liked, the bike lanes video, was also done by the same guy. Casey Neistat is an inspiration to me because he showed how important is the storytelling, and he showed me how simply and beautifully you can do it. You just need a couple of old pictures, a Sharpie marker to draw a diagram, and then to be running, doing your own business in the city of New York, going between cars on a boosted board. Isn't that beautiful? Watching Casey's stories, I also wanted to make my own stories. And people told me, hey, you should do it, you should be on YouTube because you have a pretty interesting life and you should share it with others. So one day, with a good push and unbelievable support from my girl, I actually went, filmed, edited and posted my first YouTube video. It was like 5 months ago. I remember that I posted this on August 1st. And you know what? That video sucks because, I mean, everything is bad about it. Maybe, I mean, it's just interesting because it was about architecture. And ridiculously, this is the most watched video on my channel now, 5 months later. It has 5.4K views. And my other videos has like, there are 2 videos, 500 views, and all the other videos have like 100, 200 and even less views. So even though that video sucks, people still watch it, comment it, appreciate it. When I started YouTube channel, I knew that there will be no overnight success, and I knew that I need to learn a lot of things, work very hard and be creative. And all I know is more hard work you do, more hard work is ahead of you. Like a lot of people nowadays, I don't believe in formal educations for a lot of fields. Even in architecture, I actually learn more by doing than by studying. And when it goes to the photography or filmmaking, I also believe that self-education is much better than spending a ton of money on expensive schools. So when the guy who inspired me a lot in the field of movie maker announced that he's gonna release his own class where he's gonna teach about his own unique techniques and approaches to movie making, I was like, shut up and take my money. Yes, I enrolled in class of filmmaking and storytelling with Casey Neistat, and I suck in making video and I suck in making stories even more. But I'm here to learn and improve. Please subscribe to my channel, share this journey with me, and I hope you're gonna like it. Thank you.